Hi guys, this is the Honeywell Whisper Quietclean air purifier. There are several reasons why I like this one. It captures up to 99% of ultrafine pollutants, hair, pollen, household dust, pet dander, smoke particles. It comes with a permanent filter that you just wash, and one of the best things, if you get it at Canadian Tire, it comes with a 5-year walk-in exchange warranty. So that was a selling point for me. So I'll show you the unit now. As you can see, it's packed very well. It comes with a safety instructions and other instructions for it. They also come in French. Shows you how to take the filter out, how it functions, etc. Comes wrapped in a plastic bag. It has little feet on here so it won't scratch your furniture if you choose to put it on your tabletop. CSA approved. So this is the unit. 17 inches high. Okay, I've got it on its side here just so you can see the controls. It's got an on-off switch, an indicator light for the filter, and 3 speeds. And this is where you would push to take the filter out. So you just push it, and I'm doing this with one hand, just a sec. This is the filter. That's one side of it. This is the other side. And, whoops, it's washable. So it's a permanent filter. Fits right in there. It's very easy and it just clicks shut. It's not very heavy. It has a handle so you can lift it and move it around. It doesn't oscillate, but it draws air in from the back and purifies it. And then, of course, it comes out clean on this end. So it's great for people that have allergies, asthma, sleep apnea, or pets. Okay, apparently the on-off switch is also a timer, so it will stay on for 8 to 12 hours and then automatically shut off. And when you clean the filter, you should disconnect it from the outlet, and you simply rinse with water. Okay, for washing instructions, it says that you can put it in a bucket. You can add a drop of soap if you want, but you don't have to, or you can just run it through the sink. And it says to soak the filter for 2 to 3 minutes. Don't leave it for extended periods of time, and do not operate or put it back inside the unit until it is dry. Okay, there's a little button here which releases the filter. Push down on that little lever. This part comes off, and you can actually take the filter right out. Okay, it looks like that it should be cleaned every 3 months. so that's not too bad. Anyways, all the information you need is in the booklet. It's a good little unit. It's on sale right now at Canadian Tire. And I've had one of these before. So I like Honeywell because they have usually 5-year warranties and they have permanent filters. So I hope this helps someone out there when choosing a air purifier. Thanks for watching.